三二一。
Hello guys, welcome or welcome back on my channel Beauty and the Peace, and if you are new here then thank you for landing on my channel. And hi, I am Shreya Sri. Today's video is about my recent skincare routine because from November I have cystic pimple on my face because I have used some so-called famous brands scrubber and toner, and it breaks me out like hell. Okay, so from November I'm suffering this pimple and acne on my face. During my marriage situation I have so many pimples over there, and after that I got so many pigmentation and dark spots on my face. And recently I have started using some products which are specially meant for pigmentation or active acne. So today I'm gonna share all the products name and as well as my night skincare routine for this acne prone situation. So let's get started. So guys, I'm quite close to the camera because I just want to show you the real texture of my skin right now. So I have makeup on my skin, so let's start it. So the first thing what I do, if I'm wearing any junk jewelry, I remove all the jewelries. You can see that I have makeup on my face, so I have to remove all the makeup first. Right now I'm not using any kind of cleanser. Removing my makeup, I'm using this Johnson baby oil. I take some more few drops of the oil on the tissue, and then I'll put it on my eyes for 10 seconds. Then I remove this. You can see no smudges of my eyeliner, so you can apply these tricks to remove your eye makeup. For face wash, I'm using this Mamaearth Tea Tree face wash. It's for acne and pimple prone skin. You can see the gel texture. Now I will wash my face and I will come back. So I'm here. So you have to pat your face, don't rub your face with your towel because it can harm your skin or it can scratch on your skin, but you can't see that. So every time you wash your face, just pat your face with the towel. So guys, you can see the pigmentations are still here, little, and here you can see the pigmentation. But I have shared that how much pigmentation and dark spots were on my skin in my vlog, so I will insert the picture here if you can see the difference right now because it's my bare face only. Using this Mamaearth vitamin C face toner. It's for pore tightening because right now I have some open pores right here. I don't know camera can show you or not, but yes, I have some open pores just on here. Take some drop of toner and then I will dab it on my face. So when your skin absorbs the toner, for serum I am using this Dermaco 10% niacinamide serum. and in this serum you will get niacinamide, vitamin B3 and zinc. And this serum is just for acne prone skin, and you can use this on day and night. But if you are using this serum on daytime, then don't forget to apply sunscreen because it's important. Niacinamide is an active ingredient, otherwise your skin can harm by sun rays. Okay, the smell of this serum, oh my god. And this is the magical product in this video. So I will Can you guys see the glow on my face right after using the product? For moisturizer, I am using this Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer, and it's with apple cider vinegar, and it's for acne prone skin. So I will take a little amount of moisturizer and I will rub it on my fingertips, because after rubbing, the moisturizer heat up and it easily absorb on my skin. The next product is for pigmentation from Dermaco, AHA BHA gel, and it's for active acne. And this product has glycolic acid, salicylic acid and niacinamide, and this is the wonder product. These two product, oh my god, these two product just work like wonder on my skin, because it helps to reduce my acne, it helps to reduce the pigmentation and the dark spots on my face, and this improves my skin texture also. So I'm really glad with their product, and I have purchased the Dermaco sunscreen, matte sunscreen, and when this Dermaco ultra matte sunscreen gel, and it's oil free. So I have oily skin, so whenever I go out I always use this one, and this I am really happy with all Dermaco products. Guys, it's not sponsored because इतने कम सब्सक्राइबर में कोई स्पॉन्सरशिप नहीं देते हैं, बट आई genuinely like all the products from this brand, and I'm really happy, and they are so honest that they mention all the ingredients of what they are using in their products. So I'm really happy. Product have this pointed note, so जहाँ जहाँ पे pigmentation है I will apply on that only. Then I have already mentioned in my last skincare routine video that if you are 20 plus, then don't forget to apply under eye cream on daily basis. So here I am using Dermdoc moisturizing under cream. Guys, this is the product. This is kind of a gel product, you can see. Okay, I'm getting closer to the camera. Now I will just lightly massage it, surround my skin with my fingertips. It gives me so relaxing and soothing effect on my eyes, because I have to work in front of camera, I have to work in front of fire because I'm cooking on also. So after so many things my eyes get started paining, but whenever I apply this under eye cream or gel, I just feel so relaxed. Last but not the least, don't forget to apply your lip balm, because your lips are so precious, because your smile is precious. So it's Baby Lips in the shade of Highline Wine, and this one is my favorite. So here I am. Your skin is oily or dry, you are just suffering for acne, then guys please try out all these products, because I have using this product since April 1st. Then I'm getting so much effective result. That's why I'm sharing this video and this products details. If you want to purchase this product, you will get all the products on Nykaa, and I think purple.com पे भी मिल जाएगा, but you won't get Dermaco products. You have to buy this Dermaco products from their website and from Nykaa. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope in this situation you are safe. And please guys, stay at home as much as possible, and if you are going out, then don't forget to have sanitizer and wear mask. Then stay happy and love yourself, spread love. Thank you so much. Bye bye.